Hey guys, I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. We are back from our little trip to Jellystone. It is Thursday, first day back, and we're gonna start pulling what sold for us over the time we were gone. So I'm gonna turn it over to Kathy, and we're gonna start following her around to see what sold.
Hey guys. All right. So I did pull this from the closet just because I needed to weigh it so I could get the label. But this is an Old Navy like Sherpa jacket, and I got this at the bin. So part of the stimulus check challenge. So I only have $1.54 into it, and I sold it for $25 free ship on eBay. Shipping ended up costing $8.59 out of that. So still a decent little profit off of that. All right, and then I sold another Revereware pot.
Those seem to sell off pretty good, slowly but surely.
And again, I don't know why, but like every time we sell a pot, it's not in my spreadsheet. So I'm gonna say it was either $4 or $5. That's pretty much what they all are, unless I got this at that estate sale, in which case it was like $2 something. But
I think the ones you got from the estate sale both had lids.
Okay, so yeah, it sold for $16.33 plus shipping, so probably about $5 into $16. So yeah, it's definitely more worth it to bundle them up, although our bundle hasn't sold yet. I think because I just need to tweak the shipping, but maybe split it up a little smaller because it is a 15-pound box. So anyways, yeah, I'm going to still pick up stuff as long as it's in good shape, doesn't need too much cleaning, but not huge profits on, at least on these single Reverweres. Like the smaller ones. The bigger ones, like the 5 quarts and stuff with lids, those have gone for like 30 plus shipping, and they still charge like $5 at Goodwill, so those are definitely worth it.
They seem like really nice pans and pots to use.
So that's why I'm like, oh, I'm willing to take a chance because we can always keep them and use them. Right. I sold these little baby Jordans. I've had these for a few months, I think, but they've been carded a bunch of times on Kidizen. They had a bunch of watchers on eBay and everything like that, but nobody was pulling the trigger. I finally relisted them like a day or two ago, and they sold for $22.70 plus shipping on eBay, and then I have $6 into them. All of our sales from when we're gone were just eBay and Poshmark. I didn't get any Mercari sales, no Kidizen sales, and then I turned off Facebook for a couple days, mostly because the morning that we were trying to leave, people kept like messaging me low offers and questions, and I'm just like, I don't have time for this, so I just kind of put it on pause, and then I turned it back on yesterday, and we haven't had any sales yet. These are some Sorel sandals. I have $8.97 into these from our new thrift store, and I sold them for $35 plus shipping on eBay. Yeah. All right. AE. These were those interesting Skechers like platform slide sandals that I call Y2K and everything like that. They got a ton of watchers. Like I think I had over 20 watchers on those on eBay. And they've only been listed up maybe a week or two. And I ended up selling them for $32 plus shipping. I have $8.99 into them. I probably could have got more if I waited it out, but happy with that. All right, V. These are some Brooks running shoes, and they sold for $39.99 plus ship on eBay. I have $10.99 into them. So, really good sale there. CC. So these are some 511 tactical men's cargo shorts. We got these at the new thrift store as well. I believe. I didn't write down where I got them, but I think that's where I got them.
I think you did, yeah.
I have $3.99 into them. Sold them for $21.50 plus ship on eBay. All right, BS. Pretty much a whole box of these. Sold another one of the Cabana Life swim sets. $10 into it. Sold for $27.25 plus ship on eBay. And then BT.
Sorry guys, got a phone call and that cuts off the video, so back to BT.
Sold some Skechers shape ups for $39.99 plus ship. These I got that same day as all the Harley shirts. I have 1067 average cost of goods into those. And then box K. This is a Gap, but also their collab with Pendleton, so Gap Pendleton flannel. This was something I bought for myself off ThreadUp a while back. I paid $9.99 for it. I did wear it a few times as well, and then I sold it for $22.70 plus shipping, so still made a little profit. All right, CS. These are some Clarks. So these are Clarks Originals. I don't know. These are just interesting. I really thought they'd sell a lot sooner. But I'm still glad I grabbed them. Let me turn that off. That's going to keep going off, I'm sure.
There you go.
All right. Yeah, so these Clarks, anything with like a gum sole I always look up. And I just thought these would sell sooner, but they still sold semi-fast. I don't think I've had them over 3 months. But I sold them for $36.35 plus shipping on eBay. And I have $7 into them. So good pickup. Yeah. All right, so box J. So these men's Echo sandals, I have $14.97 into them. We did pay up at that new thrift because they were in such good shape, but I sold them for $45.45 plus ship, so it was worth it. All right, and then box G. So these little toddler Under Armour slide sandals for $16.33 plus shipping on eBay. I have $6 into those. That was like an average cost of goods the day I bought shoes. And box P. Alright, so these Merrell flip-flops for $22.70 plus shipping on eBay. I have $7.99 into those. AQ.
Rule right over Reese's head. He does always pick the right spot where we got sales.
Alright, so these are some Can jeans. I believe these came from an estate sale where I had an average cost of goods of $277. Maybe not. Maybe they came from a thrift store. I don't remember. But I sold them for $22.70 plus shipping on eBay. Alright. This is some bad writing on my part. I think it says CN, but hopefully it's in there. Yep. Alright. This is the brand Munster. It's just, it's a pretty expensive kids brand, but it doesn't necessarily resell for that much. I think these flannels new are like $70 for a kid's shirt. But I got it off Kidizen a while back for $15. My son wore it a couple times. I sold it on eBay for $22.70 free shipping. And shipping only cost me $3.57, so I'm not losing any money on it. Alright, DE. So the Nightmare Before Christmas nursing scrub top. I got this at a garage sale for $1, sold it for $12 plus shipping on eBay. Right, then box E. These have taken a while to sell, but I think it's because of the size. They're like a 14 men's wide. And I want to say I bought them almost a year ago. And I finally sold them for $25 on Poshmark. So I get $20. I did pay $7 for them originally. But I am happy to see them go. They were LL Bean men's sneakers. Alright, a couple more. BV. The next two are both BV, but I didn't write what one of them is. So I gotta figure that out for a minute. Here. So one of them is some girls' Nike shorts. So this is what the other thing is. Alright, so these are, those girls' Nike shorts. I got these at our new thrift for $2.50. Sold them for $12 on Poshmark. And then these are also from that new thrift store. They're just some North Face men's like belted hiking zip-off pants. Those ones I paid $7.99 for and sold for $28 on Poshmark. Box A, this is just something I was so happy to get rid of, even though I made like probably a couple bucks off it. So these are some like junior size girls Hollister denim shorts. I paid $5 for them, I think well over a year ago. They just didn't sell. I don't know, I don't have very good luck with junior sizing, so need to stop buying it. But yeah, I got an offer of 13 on Posh, and I just took that because I don't want to see them ever again. All right, AB. These are some Taos, T-A-O-S sandals from the new thrift store. I have $4.97 into them. They sold for $30 on Posh. That was an offer I accepted. What's up, Darcy? All right, last couple. So B. These are some adorable little toddler Vans. Like they have like skulls on them, and I'm pretty sure they glow in the dark. And then I sent an offer 23 with discount shipping on Poshmark, and someone accepted. I do have $5.95 into those ones. And last but not least, so this Mike Wazowski mug for $19 with discount shipping on Posh. So this was from the bins when I went up with Amber and Greg in Denver. So I didn't actually, that's the rest of that stuff still, and I didn't actually type it in yet, but I remember I paid $60 for everything that day. So I probably have no more than $2 into this, but I haven't.
Yeah, we'll update that on the back end.
So, not too bad. But yeah, that was not too bad for, I mean, it's 3 days worth because we shipped Monday, anything before we left,
yeah.
And then now it's Thursday, noonish, 2 o'clock-ish.
And we did put eBay on like time away. Like we let people buy stuff, but it did send them messages anytime they contacted us saying we'd be back today, Thursday.
Yeah.
And
I think so. I think this is like 24 something sales. So without doing any new work during those last 3 days, I'm pretty happy with what we ended up selling.
Yeah. So we'll go ahead and get the stuff packed up, and we'll be right back. All right, got everything all packed up, ready to go. We did not have any more sales come in.
Nope.
But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, at least. And yeah, I had every intention of putting videos up while we were up in Jellystone, but the internet was just awful. I mean, I couldn't even get on to like respond to questions and comments on YouTube videos. It was just that bad. And yeah, so I was really hoping to get videos up every day while we were there, but just couldn't happen. And I'm a bad YouTuber, and I should have had everything ready and scheduled to go, but I didn't. So anyway, we are back. It's going to be regular scheduling now. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.